guys, my name is Jennifer and today I'm going to be reviewing a vacuum that I just got for $70 at Aldi's, the grocery store. Now what intrigued me about this is it looks like the little handheld Animal Dyson, and I will show you because I don't remember the exact name, so just a second. Trying to get all of it in focus. So this is what it looks like. You can see my heart light in the background. It is called Cordless Cyclonic Stick Vacuum from Easy Home, and it has LG battery. It says it has brushless motor, fast 4-hour charger, and a powerful bristle sweeping action for the attachment right here. And like I said, it just reminds me of the Dyson Animal little handheld. There's some little preview pictures. So let's open this, shall we? Alright, so like it opens where the handles are. Just set it on the step stool. Here's what you see when you first open it. Here's this thing, which is metal. Here is attachment with the bristles. It's pretty cool. Look at all those bristles on it. It's pretty cool. You get your instruction booklet. This piece right here. Pretty cool. Some more attachments. So, oh cool. So you've got a 2-in-1. So like here is if you need the little brush, you know, or you can push a button on here and slide it down and have a crevice tool. That's cool. And then there's this thing. I don't know what it is. We'll figure it out. And I'm assuming this is the charger. Yes. This is a little DC charger, I believe is what it's called. ACD. Oh my gosh. AC/DC! It's the AC adapter charger. So that is it for that. So let's try putting this thing together. Sorry for the lighting. There's just no good. I've got that, which puts up just terrible lighting everywhere. So this piece right here that I didn't know what it was, this is a connecting joint, it says. So I put the connecting joint on. That is right here. And so you just push the little button and it comes off, and then I attached the crevice tool. So it just all theoretically goes together. I wonder if it has juice already in it. Oh, it does. Now we find something to vacuum. I've got tons of pet hair. Should we see if it vacuums off of my leg? So here is the pet hair on my leg. And let's see. I apologize for the noise. I don't see anything going around in it. I feel like to be more scientific, we should put something, suck something up where we can see it like going around the tubey tube, you know? Let me see if I can find something that we can suck up. Okay, don't tell my husband, but I found some coffee grounds that we can use. So I'm going to put some on here, my step stool, which I know it's kind of, well, you can see it. Ugh. Maybe we should spread it out through the ridges. Okay, so you can see the coffee grounds, obviously. Now let's try this again. Squeeze it. And there's a little piece in there, I don't know if you can see it, going in circles. That is so cool. And let's see. Oh, there's one ground. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, we're looking at this together. Obviously there's one little piece of coffee ground right there, but I'm not going to worry about it. That's the only piece that's left on here. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty freaking awesome. I feel like this was $69.99 on sale. I think they originally had it for $99 at Aldi's, but I didn't see it before. But yeah, for 70 bucks. It's a heck of a lot cheaper because we looked in the store and it's anywhere from $200 to $250 for the Animal online, for the Dyson Animal. And this is just pretty cool. I just can't, I plan on using this for my rat cage and also for my car and whatever else that I can play with this. It's so cool. I'll have to do more reading on it, but I think it says like a 4-hour charge, but I don't know how much battery life this has in it right now. I mean, unless you're doing like a big thing, I think you're gonna be fine. I should test out, let's test out. I'm not gonna go get more coffee grounds, but I do have some hairs on my carpet. So let's take this off. So we took this off here. And we're gonna put this attachment on. And then, so it looks like, this is hard to do. I'm gonna put this on. Nice little clip. This thing swivels too, which is so cool. see. We'll see. This is kind of, this is what my carpet looks like. My new, and this is a new rug. It's supposed to have the gray splotching on it like that. Let me take this tripod off. Okay, so see that? There's a spot there. And there's some hairs. Let's see how this works. It feels kind of flimsy, not gonna lie, but I've never used one of these before, so. Let's get back down. And there's no hairs or anything. Here is the hair that it vacuumed up. The hair and the coffee grounds. Amazing. That is the coolest toy. Well, tool. I am sold. I'm sold on it. I love it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, honestly, but I wish I would have seen something like this, and this is what I was trying to find, so that's why I'm doing this, because I couldn't find anything, and I almost put it back at the store and was able to, I was gonna go on QVC, because you know how they always have like those 5 monthly payments, whatever. I was gonna do something like that, and I'm glad I didn't. This is mine. I have no more payments coming out, and it's awesome. So yeah, I highly suggest it. It is the Easy Home Cordless Cyclonic Stick Vacuum from Aldi's. Highly suggest it. The lighting in here's crap again. I apologize. There you go.